everyone, this is Jen from Scrappy Passion. I'm here with an Artistic Studio Creation Design Team package. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that I've gotten 2 other hauls with paper in it this past month, so I didn't get any paper. So let me show you what I did get. I got this 25 pack of 90 point 8.5 by 11 black chipboard. And this is super thick, and this is what I'm going to be using to make the, well, it's what I used, let me show you, to make this box. So I can show you guys how to do that. I use my 8x8, but I thought the 8.5 by 11 would be more efficient. And then I thought I would use this for some more book nooks. So I got that. And then I had showed you these two. I showed you these two from Prima, and I love them. So I got 2 more, and this is how they come packaged. Well, no, hang on. I got 1 more of these. And it's really nice that they come packaged individually in case we have a blowout in the shipping. It doesn't ruin everything. So I got the gold amber, and then this one's a little different. This one is by Jacquard, and it's called Light Body Metallic Acrylic. So it's like a pewter. It is pewter. So I have a pewter, a purple, a copper, or a rustic brown. It's like a, yeah, kind of like a copper, and then a gold amber. So I really like those. And then I got some glass seedlings, which are tiny little balls of glass. And I thought those would be cute in something. I haven't figured out what I want. I have these in other brands. This one is a burgundy, and it is from Imagine Ink from Blue Fern Studios. So the ones that I had before are across the room, but very, very comparable. And I got the blue roses from Graphic 45 because I was putting my fairy album or box together and realized that I never picked them up, so I grabbed those. I got some bling because we always need bling, and I've seen that I was running low, so I'll just grab some every once in a while. I got this Makin's, these texture plates, and they're not hard. They're like a softer packaging material, but I wanted the brick. So we're going to see how this works compared to the foam method that I've been using, because if I could roll some clay over this and be done with it, hey. And then we have the stone, same deal, right? I don't know if you can see that. I don't really have anything to... You see the stone, the brick. This is, I don't know what this is, a sand, which I don't know how that would work. I'd have to see that before I figured it out. And this one is waves, maybe? And that's, again, I would have to, yeah, that's waves. Okay, and they have a total of 5 sets, but Crystal, I think, has 2 of them in her store. But this one with the brick and the stone, I was like, yeah, definitely trying it. And they're not expensive, so definitely worth a try. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I got some score tape because we always need score tape. I got the 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, which is my go-tos. And then this is new. This is an aqua shimmer from Nuvo. And Nuvo, I think they're the same ones that make the shimmer pens. And this is called Sunlit Sienna. So it's not open yet. But yeah, I thought, well, that would be neat to try. And yeah, so that was it. I told you it was short, so those I already had. But yeah, here is my little haul, and I think, you know, and then the chipboard too, but I think this will save me some time in the long run. So I hope you enjoy all this. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Either website will work. And use Scrapping Posh 10 at checkout to get 10% off your regular priced items. And hope that you've enjoyed all the videos I've been making, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.